this isn't nearly as bad as it looks.
Let's have fun. Yes. It doesn't have to be him. No, it's the wrong light. It doesn't have to. Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Oh, get it. Ding dong. Oh, get it. Hello, tiny horse. A post horse. Yay. Thank you. Here we are. The letter. Woohoo. Let's go.
Smiling.
Better get down here, sir. Yes, Dr. Twinklewish. She's packing She said she's going to a planet called America. It's the right place, isn't it? Middle of nowhere. Yeah, this is it. Yay.
Hello.
Yay! Hello, Flash. Oh my god. Where did I? Ow. Yay. Hello. Wow. Yay, that's hung. Ah! Sorry. Oh, I need my hat. This is a pathetic excuse for Stetsons. Stetsons are cool. I don't know. Yes, they are. Sorry. Ow. Pathetic excuse. What? We snowing off the no. Hello, sweetie. Yay. Twinklewish. Now what? A picnic. Yay. Yay, we're having a picnic. Yeah. Ow. Yay. Let's do stuff. Hey. Ow, help, help. Ow. Who's that? Fudge? Who? Oh yes, said saw someone. Yeah. No, I didn't. Yes. Anyway, now let's go to the moon. What moon? That moon. That's a hot air balloon. Never mind. Oh my god. Hey. What's that? Whatever happens now, you do not interfere. Clear? It's okay. I know it's you. That's an Apollo astronaut in a lake. No! Help. Oh. Don't do it. No, don't. I'm sorry. No! And it's a flash. And it is definitely dead. It's LGBT exists. Gas a cat. Boat. I'm gonna do this. Let's do it properly.
Hi.
Who are you? What are you doing here? Same reason as you. The envelopes were numbered. You got 3, I was 2, and that strange horse was 4. So who got number 1? It doesn't matter. It mattered to him, so it mattered to us. Die! Sorry. Ow. Sorry. Sorry. Ow. Sorry. There. Hey. Who's here? Some guy. Oh. Hello. I just went to get my special straw. This is cold. Even for you it is cold. Or hello, as people used to say. Okay. Of course I'm okay. I'm the king of sorry. Okay. So that's a rubbish title. No. Rory the Roman, that's the awesome title. I'm not Roman! Sorry. Just killed everyone. Sorry. Sorry. I don't know what to say, sorry. I just give up about that. You bad horse. What trouble you got to me this time? Oh. I'm guessing that's something I haven't done yet. Yes, it is. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Now. Good idea. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. To be continued, by the way!